Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Netflix issues. To know how to fix or how to solve your Netflix, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will enter to the window of Netflix and you click. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache. Then you can go to Play Store. You will search about Netflix. If you will find here in this blue sign update, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.